Welcome to Clean Republic. With just 3 simple ingredients, salt, water, and electricity, the Clean Republic Disinfectant and Sanitizer solution is so powerful that hospitals use it to disinfect ICUs, children's wards, and patient rooms. Yet so gentle that it's used to sanitize hotels, classrooms, and food processing facilities. And now, the Clean Republic all-purpose cleansers are available in home strength for everyday cleaning. Safe to use around your home, with no harsh fumes or messy residue. It's the no-wipe, multitasking, every surface solution for a healthier home. Clean Republic. All for clean and clean for all.